open it, Cayden?
Okay.
What you waiting for? Careful, don't cut yourself again. What is it?
Looks like a bike mount.
That's what it is. It's a bike rack. So this is for electric bikes. Can be used for. I'll get into it. Find out.
Okay.
Let's install this thing. How many pieces do we have? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces that all get put together. So here we go.
Can you get me a socket wrench? Or socket?
What size?
A 10. Or actually, no, you can just give me a Phillips. 2.
Screwdriver.
Just give me a socket. I don't
Make your mind up. You want a Phillips or a...
Phillips, fine. Be a Phillips too, if anything.
We could use a 3 on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely need a 2 or 3. Or you can just give me a socket.
Here.
That's 3.
Yes, Phillips 3.
Trade. Yeah, I could just take it back. I just need a socket at this point.
How's it going?
Good.
Coming together.
Yeah, slowly.
But hey, how old are you?
I forgot. 13.
A 13-year-old can build this. Anyone can. How's it going there, kid?
Boring.
Boring. What's it supposed to be fun?
Yeah. Actually, no, it is kind of fun. It's like adult Lego.
And you like Lego.
Exactly.
So how much is this good for?
It's up to 66 kgs per bike. So roughly like 122 pounds.
Each? Or altogether?
Wait. Sorry, 132
Altogether.
kgs, yeah, altogether.
So if your bike's 50 pounds each, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Cayden's doing it himself. See? A 13-year-old can do it. this is the Galaxy bike rack for EVs. It's for 2 bikes. We've just kind of attached the one, and just goes into the trailer hitch, nice and easy. Holds, I forget how many pounds, and that's the setup that we have for our adventures. It's the Galaxy bike rack.